Hello everyone, this is Kishore Dhanrajan here, and today I want to discuss about successful startups. A lot of people contact me on LinkedIn and ask me my opinion about startups, and if they have been in the employment space for a long time, they often get uh, kind of tired with the routine and they want to do some exciting things in life. And they feel that they need to have a startup. Plus, they hear the story of all these successful startups and they want to get into the game. So, the question I get is, how do I start a successful startup? And there's no easy answer for that. There's not a straightforward formula to take your startup from zero to wherever you want to go in a very short period of time. Definitely, there's a lot of risk involved. It'll take time, effort, money, and a lot of sleepless nights before you get your startup up and running and make it successful. A lot of people face a lot of issues in between too. So my recommendation, if you want to move from being an employee to becoming an employer and want to have your own business, to have your own startup, the very first thing you need to realize that is it's going to take you some time before you get cash flow coming in. So in the meantime, to keep the cash flow running, the best way for you to would be to associate yourself with a company and act as a referral partner, which means if you have sales skills, and having sales skills is really key to making your startup successful. If you don't have sales skills, I suggest you do some training, work with a few successful salespeople, take advice, get your sales skills to the mark, and then associate yourself with a company as a referral partner so that you can get a referral income coming in even before your startup starts making money. Which means when you pass on work to agencies, you'll be compensated based on the kind of work you bring in. Plus, you're building your network and also you're increasing your clout. So you could also use LinkedIn to improve your clout and reach out to more customers and so forth. But the most important thing is there's definitely going to be a lag in your cash flow from the day you start to the day you start making real money. And the way to overcome that gap, that financial gap, is to act as a referral partner. Work with companies. Give us a call because we do have a nice referral program in place, and we pay a lot to some of our referral partners. So give us a call, visit our website seosouk.com, and let's see how we can make your startup journey easier. Thank you.